This is RC Car News. And so today, guys, just a nice little batch of kids having fun at the park. But of course, in a peaceful neighborhood like this, nothing ever goes wrong. And oh, the police are here. Let's take a further look. They are not maintaining social distancing. You just ran over a batch of children. Do I need to get authorities involved? I am authorities! Well, anyways, on to the next topic of today's news. Next up, we have a police chase in our hands, and we will be viewing from the drone. And it looks like they could be coming to a stop soon. Alright, and that was a pathetic police chase. Let's just see the results of it now. Alright, so, you've been arrested for obstructing an officer, whatever that means. No, that's crazy. And, my fresh bumper! Ow! Ow! Ah! So the results are as pleasing as I thought they would be. The children are fine. And stay tuned for next episode so we can finally catch that charismatic speed racer on the loose. No, where'd he go?